up, everybody? How you doing? Huh? Okay, guys. Today I'll be teaching you how to do some animations, part 2, and fight scenes. So let's get to the video. Part 3. If we get 70 views, we'll be doing part 3. So basically, if you want to know how to do this, so let's do what PJH Films does with this character. So you just go over here. Like it shows you how to like delete this thing. It won't delete it, probably. It will just make it like transparent, something like that. And then you just press this and bam, just press humanoid. It will show this one. And if you want to put it on back, just do that. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. Let's do the same thing to my character. Just go over here, press none, and bam. Thanks, shout out to David for teaching me this. If I don't know if I said that. So let's do this. So as you know, if you just okay, I don't know, I forgot to put in the description, so I'll tell you guys how I got on the plugins. So you just go plugins. It's pretty very common. Oh shoot, I'm lagging. It's pretty common. Just scroll down, bam. It'll show over here. It's very common. So you just press on that. See, I already have it, and then okay. So now let's do how to do some moon animations. So what I'm just gonna do is just gonna go over here. Okay. So let me just go over here. Just press this, and I'm just gonna do this. Oh, also, guys, if you guys want to know how to like, for example, you want to do like you just click on that. Oh, so what you hold, press that, and in your keyboard it should show CTRL. Just hold on that and just press out your characters and bam. Sadly, you can't like how do I say it? You can't move it because it will just like if you try to move it, this will happen. So yeah, that's how you do it. Now the problem is if you do that, you see you won't be able to move it. I'll fix that. What you do is you just go to home, just press move, like just press like either these two buttons or something else that will spot, and then you go back here and bam. So let's just show you how to do cameras. So you should go camera over here and press add cameras. Now you see these are the scene frames, and I I don't know much about that, but maybe I will learn in a future video. I will show you guys how to do it. Probably. Okay. So what you have to press is like your keyboard has something like the plus equal plus and something next to it. It's like almost next to zero, but you just go 1 2 like somewhere there, and then you just press on that. Look, I just did that. Now it will be stuck. So now you go to cameras. Now if you want to do something, I can show you want to just do something like this. Just wait. But let me stay back here. Just move back. And let's see. Yeah, that's how you do cameras. You could also if you want to like make it like teleport, like let me show you how to. So you just try to not move that, and then just go over here. I'll just go over here. Wait, let's just go over here. Yeah, and I'll try. Yep, and that's how you do cameras. So a lot of people are gonna find like probably gonna say like, oh, this is what you know. I mean, yeah, probably this is what I know, but I'm still learning. I'm not the best animator out there. I can teach you how to make players that blinks, like not players that blinks. Like I can teach you how to make some eyes that you can able to blink. So if you get 80 okay, if you get 70 views, I'll show you how to make blink things and also do cool stuff. What should I do? You find out, guys. Don't worry, you find out. Also, if you want to do anime settings, just go over here. If you want to make your time more longer, and just press, let's do 40 minutes here. Let's do 40. Press on that and bam. Sure! If you go over here, it'll do the exact same thing, 40 minutes. So you see, this camera is pretty good. So yeah, I pretty much like it how it does. It's very useful for people like PJH Films and Flicks. A lot of the YouTubers information series for the trailers. So let's make fight scenes. I think the best way to make fight scenes are R15, but R6 is more easier to control the arms like and other stuff. So let's just make the fight scene. So you want to go to 0, and if you want, you don't have to. It'll just, but I do it this way because it's more easy. And I think some people who wants to be good at making fight scenes to do, yeah. So let me just like, okay. So let me just do this. Let me just do this. I'm not very good at this stuff. Oh my god. Okay. I'm just bend down. Okay. Okay, let me just skip this part so it won't take that for you guys that long. Oh, I made a mistake. Let me fix that first. Let me fix that. Okay. Okay, let me do this. Okay, now I'm gonna skip it so you guys understand. Okay, this is the best I could do. It's kind of bad, not gonna lie, but I did put my pressures, not pressure. Let me just see what things I should like this. Oh, this looks clean. So wait, I just realized it's not stuck in my body. It's just floating. That's funny. Okay, so let me just do this, and then let me just look at it. Let me just look, David, look at me. Okay, that looks like a death stare. That looks like a death stare. I remember this was David. No, David used to did this. Okay, this is what you used to do. Okay. We're family friendly. Okay, we're not just gonna say some inappropriate words. Okay, so yeah. Now let's do the same thing for myself. Okay. This kind of looks kind of good. Blah blah blah. Pretty looks kind of good. So now let's wait. Let's do the fights. So you want to put so oh my god, what am I doing? So you're just gonna want to scroll up. No, let's do this. I'm not the best at cameras, but I would try my best to make this perfect for you guys, so you guys will understand it. And then let me just put them over here. And just scroll here, and now look at this. Oh wait, I'm lagging. Wait, let me try again. Since it's kind of slow, let me just kind of put it over here. And so far it kind of looks boring, but I'm not finished yet. So let me just press on this. Then let me just go to it. Okay. Now let me just, you see this, and bam. So let me just press rig. You press rig if you want. So if you like basically you see, so you don't want something to do like this, like I saw in the video. You don't want something to do like this. It will look weird. You want it to be you want it to look cool. So I'm just gonna like try to move it. You see, I did try to move it, and then oh shoot, why did I do that? It's okay if you guys want to wait. Okay, there. So, and then you press over here. I'm just gonna do something like that, and then my character is gonna do the same. And then the other character, like David, he's gonna do the same thing. Oh wait, I forgot. Make sure to always like remember the mistake you did because you don't want to be making mistakes. Cause you see that I like made a mistake there. Then let me just put that over here. What I'm laggy. Let me just skip this for a second. Okay, I fixed something. I fixed something. So I fixed the hair because yeah, it was kind of I made a mistake, and then I'm just gonna like try not to do that. And, let me try not to move this too. And then if I like go over here, if I go and then if I like I'm gonna now try to move it like I okay and now I just because these takes a lot of practice. If you I mean this took me I always wanted to become an animator like PJH Films. Then just lift them up. Know where I'll fix that. But okay, then we do this. I'm just gonna move the heading. I'm just whew. Okay, don't worry guys. I'm just gonna skip this, cause I want, cause this is gonna get pretty hard. And I'm kind of getting tired, cause I have a lot of things to do. So let me just skip this. I'll show you the results. Phew, that took a while. So we're going to see the fight scene on it, and some of it might not seem familiar because like if you see this, I put something over here, like I just like did something over here to make it seem like David got hit. Like you see, that's just only the spoilers. That's it. I did something like that. So yeah, enjoy the fight scene and let's see how good I did. Hopefully I did good. Okay, here it is. I did kind of bad. Yeah, it's kind of bad. Yeah. If I had some editing, that would be pretty good. So I hope you like this video. If you did, smash that like button! And yeah, part 3, we will do like how can we okay, I won't think of I know one of it, but I'll think of it guys. So yeah, bye guys. And make sure to stay positive because just keep on doing your dreams because you never know what will happen. So yeah, bye guys. Wait, okay. Achoo!